Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can play Spotify on Discord. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So to do that, first thing first, go ahead, open up your Discord app, and once you have done that, this is how the interface gonna look like. Now from over here, go ahead, go to the voice channel section, and then you're gonna start a call. Once I started the call, you will try to share your screen, but you won't be able to check out the Spotify in the screen. So for that, what you gotta do is you gotta go ahead, go to this little settings icon given at the bottom, and from over here you're gonna scroll down. Right, once you have scrolled down, you're gonna be going to the section of activity registered games. Once you tap on the registered game, you're going to go ahead, tap on this, and tap on add it. Now over here you're going to add the Spotify over here. Once you have added the Spotify over here and you have confirmed it, you can tap on add game, and then you have to make sure that you have the Spotify installed in your device as well, and then you will play it in the background, and then you're going to go ahead and register a game. Once I register Spotify, tap on add game, when you go back and try to share your screen on your voice channel, you will be able to share Spotify or play Spotify along with the Discord like that. That's basically it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.